Question 101. Irritation from the skin is damaged and lower blood pressure by dilating the blood vessels the immune system releases. Answers: A. Histamines. B. Plasma. C. Hormones. D. Blood platelets. The correct answer is A. Question 102. The bulb of ultraviolet light to cure for gel nails should be cleaned all the times and changed. Answers: A. Every month. B. Every 3 months. C. Every 6 months. D. Every year. The correct answer is C. Question 103. Removing acrylic nail enhancements, warming the solvent as acetone to over 100 degrees speeds removal time by. Answers: A. 100%. B. 20%. C. 30%. D. 50%. The correct answer is C. Question 104. For dry cuticles and brittle nails, it is best to give. Answers: A. An oil manicure. B. A plain machine manicure. C. A water manicure. D. A plain booth manicure. The correct answer is A. Question 105. To retard polish chipping on the free edge. Answers: A. Leave the free edge exposed. B. Remove a hairline of polish at the tip. C. Use only one layer of nail polish. D. Leave the lunula exposed. The correct answer is B.
The Nail Exam app. Ace the nail exam on your first try. Available on App Store.
Question 106. A chamois is used. Answers: A. To store implements. B. On the buffer. C. In a wet sanitizer. D. To rest patron's hand. The correct answer is B. Question 107. Which one of the following would not be a proper method of using a metal pusher? Answers: A. Blade end follows the curve of the cuticle. B. Pusher is used from corner to base of the nail. C. Pusher is used with gentle pressure. D. Pointed end used to loosen cuticle. The correct answer is D. Question 108. To remove stain from fingernails, use. Answers: A. Cuticle oil. B. Nail bleach with 6% H202. C. Nail polish remover. D. Nail whitener. The correct answer is B. Question 109. An abrasive to smooth nail ridges would be. Answers: A. Powdered pumice. B. Castor oil. C. Nitrocellulose. D. Organic acid. The correct answer is A. Question 110. In manicuring, the nail buffer is used for tip and acrylic too. Answers: A. Remove rough nail edges. B. Remove epinicium. C. Polish the nail. D. Scrub the nails. The correct answer is D. Question 111. An abnormal overgrowth of the nail is known as. Answers: A. Onychorexis. B. hypertrophy, C. onychophagy, D. atrophy. The correct answer is B. Question 112. Which one of the following conditions the manicurist may not treat? Answers: A. Anales, B. onychophagy, C. paronychia, D. pterygium. The correct answer is C. Question 113. Blue nails are usually a sign of. Answers: A. worry, B. nervous system, C. poor blood circulation, D. onychorexis. The correct answer is C. Question 114. Nail brushes and nail baths, used properly, help eliminate. Answers: A. excess cuticle, B. stains on the nails, C. dryness of nails, D. ridges on the nails. The correct answer is A. Question 115. To prepare a 1000 ppm solution of EPA-registered quaternary ammonium compounds using a 15% active ingredient, you would mix. Answers: A. 5/4 ounce of quats to a gallon of water, B. a half ounce of quats to a gallon of water, C. 1 ounce of quats to a gallon of water, D. 3/4 ounce of quats to a gallon of water. The correct answer is D. Question 116. If a client with nail fungus or mold, the only service you may be allowed to. Answers: A. apply medicine treatment, B. remove artificial nails, C. plain manicure, D. fill in the new growth nail. The correct answer is B. Question 117. The appearance of a healthy nail shows A. Answers: A. yellowish color, B. slight pink color, C. purple color, D. bluish color. The correct answer is B. Question 118. Split nails may be caused by. Answers: A. improper use of nail file, B. use of the nail whitener, C. soaking too long, D. improper use of the buffer. The correct answer is A. Question 119. Phalanges are found in the. Answers: A. root of the mouth, B. digits, C. wrist, D. nasal cavity. The correct answer is B. Question 120. The nail root begins from an actively grow tissue called the. Answers: A. lunula, B. matrix, C. hyponychium, D. eponychium. The correct answer is B.
The Nail Exam app. Ace the nail exam on your first try. Available on App Store.
Question 121. Which of the following is not a nail disease? Answers: A. onychoxis, B. onychosis, C. onychophagy, D. pterygium. The correct answer is C. Question 122. Which one of the following is not a main part of the fingernail? Answers: A. Free edge. B. Root. C. Mantle. D. Body. The correct answer is C. Question 123. The visible portion of the nail resting upon the nail bed is the answers. A. Lunula. B. Free edge. C. Nail body. D. Nail root. The correct answer is C. Question 124. The nail root is lodged in the nail mantle at the answers. A. Top of the nail. B. Side of the nail. C. Base of nail. D. Tip of the nail. The correct answer is C. Question 125. The nail walls are small folds of skin overlapping the sides of the nail. Answers. A. Mantle. B. Bed. C. Matrix. D. Body. The correct answer is D. Question 126. Cosmetology textbooks recommend that a steel pusher be used on a moist nail. Answers. A. To increase circulation. B. So the mantle will not be disturbed. C. So the lunula can be seen. D. To prevent scratching of the nail plate. The correct answer is D. Question 127. A manicurist's license expired 6 months ago. To renew the license, the manicurist must know two answers. A. Retake both the written and practical. B. Retake the written part of the examination. C. Pay a delinquency fee in addition to renewal. D. Pay just the renewal fee. The correct answer is C. Question 128. The muscles that close the fingers are called the answers. A. Phalanges. B. Abductors. C. Extensor. D. Adductors. The correct answer is D. Question 129. A base coat is usually applied. Answers. A. After the nail polish. B. Over the top coat. C. Before the nail polish. D. With short strokes. The correct answer is C. Question 130. A hangnail condition may be corrected by trimming the hangnail and softening the surrounding skin with answers. A. Cuticle oil. B. Boric acid. C. Naphtha. D. Polish remover. The correct answer is A. Question 131. Minor bleeding in manicuring is stopped best with answers. A. Sealer. B. Alcohol. C. Powdered alum. D. Disinfectant. The correct answer is C. Question 132. At the start of the manicure, the nipper, pusher, and orange wood stick should be answers. A. Laid out on the manicure table. B. Handy and available to the manicurist. C. Kept in the sanitary maintenance area. D. In the manicure table drawer. The correct answer is C. Question 133. The product that must be used for disinfecting sharp instruments in a beauty salon is answers. A. Dichloride of mercury. B. Lanolin. C. Boric acid. D. 70% ethyl alcohol. The correct answer is D. Question 134. All manicure instruments must be disinfected before. Answers: A. Putting them in a drawer. B. Using them on another patron. C. Leaving the salon. D. The patron arrives. The correct answer is B. Question 135. Another name for cuticles is. Answers: A. Scarf skin. B. Hyponychium. C. Lunula. D. Mantle. The correct answer is A. Question 136. When buffing the nail, you should stroke from. Answers: A. Crisp, hard strokes, back and forth. B. Front to back of nail. C. Side to side. D. Back to front of nail. The correct answer is D. Question 137. The abductor muscle are necessary for. Answers: A. Bending the elbow. B. Bonding the wrist. C. Separate the fingers. D. Straightening the wrist. The correct answer is C. Question 138. Thick nail polish may be thinned by adding. Answers: A. Base coat. B. Acetone, thinner. C. More nail polish. D. Sealer. The correct answer is B. Question 139. Emery boards are discarded after each use because. Answers: A. The abrasive is expended. B. They are worn out. C. They cannot be sanitized. D. All of the others. The correct answer is C. Question 140. Which of the following is prohibited for use in a manicure? Answers: A. Lump alum. B. Powdered alum. C. Germicidal solution. D. Antiseptic lotion. The correct answer is A.
The Nail Exam app. Ace the nail exam on your first try. Available on App Store.
Question 141. The use of fingers to remove materials from a container is acceptable for client application if. Answers: A. Container contains semi-solids product. B. If the fingers are covered with clean cotton. C. Container is not contaminated. D. Both container is not contaminated and container contains semi-solids product. The correct answer is B. Question 142. Manicure implements, when not in use, should be sanitized and stored. Answers: A. In an open cabinet. B. In a closed container. C. On an exposed shelf. D. On the manicure table. The correct answer is B. Question 143. A manicurist's license entitles the licensee to do all except which one of the following? Answers: A. Manicure in barbershop. B. Give a pedicure. C. Manicure in a salon. D. Remove arm hair with wax. The correct answer is D. Question 144. During a manicure, the instruments not in use should be kept. Answers: A. In the sanitary maintenance area. B. On top of the manicure table. C. In a clean manicure table drawer. D. In a labeled soiled instrument receptacle. The correct answer is A. Question 145. To smooth out wavy ridges and add shine to the nail, you should use A. Answers: A. Chamois buffer. B. Nail brush. C. Black beauty file. D. Block buffer. The correct answer is A. Question 146. The manicure nippers are used for cutting dead cuticle, and proper use of the cuticle nippers will. Answers: A. Leave cuticle free of snags. B. Leave skin unbroken. C. All of the others. D. Not rough up more cuticle. The correct answer is C. Question 147. Implements used with excessive pressure at the root of the nail might. Answers: A. Stimulate the nail to more rapid growth. B. Make the lunula visible. C. Injure live tissues. D. Remove excessive cuticle. The correct answer is C. Question 148. All bottles and containers used in salon shall be. Answers: A. Labeled correctly, regardless of its contents. B. Labeled as to their application. C. Made of clear glass. D. Labeled only if poisonous. The correct answer is A. Question 149. The powder on a brush for the application of acrylic nail should be. Answers: A. Wet, so it will stick to the brush. B. Applied to all bristles. C. Worked into a thick paste. D. Formed into a ball at the tip of the brush. The correct answer is D. Question 150. Antiseptics are used to. Answers: A. Disinfect manicure implements. B. Destroy bacteria. C. Open pores of the skin. D. Retard the growth of germs. The correct answer is D. Question 151. The state board rule for handling emery board says that you should. Answers: A. Wipe with 99% isopropyl alcohol. B. Discard after use on each client. C. Keep in dust-proof cabinet. D. Store in plastic bag after use. The correct answer is B. Question 152. If a slight cut occurs while giving a manicure, you should use. Answers: A. Pumice stone. B. Lysol. C. An astringent. D. Styptic pencil. The correct answer is C. Question 153. Polish remover may dry the cuticle if it is. Answers: A. Washed off. B. Mixed with liquid polish. C. Applied with a brush. D. Used undiluted. The correct answer is D. Question 154. If not properly cared for, hangnails may. Answers: A. Become infected. B. Turn yellow. C. Become congenital. D. Become spotted. The correct answer is A. Question 155. Pushing back the cuticles will. Answers: A. Slow down the nail growth. B. Not do any good. C. Loosen the eponychium. D. Cause fungus on nails. The correct answer is C.
The Nail Exam app. Ace the nail exam on your first try. Available on App Store.
Question 156. Who is liable for implements and maintaining the sanitary requirements in a licensed establishment? Answers: A. The holder of the established license. B. The person in charge. C. The licensed person working on permission. D. All of the others. The correct answer is D. Question 157. In manicuring, pumice powder may be used to. Answers: A. Soften nails. B. Smooth ridges. C. Soften cuticle. D. Remove nail polish. The correct answer is B. Question 158. The number of phalanges in the fingers of each hand are. Answers: A. 14 phalanges. B. 10 phalanges. C. 8 phalanges. D. 5 phalanges. The correct answer is A. Question 159. To clean under the free edge of the nail, manicurists usually use. Answers: A. The pointed end of the pusher. B. A point of the nipper. C. The finger bath brush. D. A cotton-tipped orangewood stick. The correct answer is D. Question 160. After the client is seated at the manicure table and their hands have been washed with soap and water, normally the next step will be. Answers: A. Removing the old polish. B. Applying the cuticle solvent. C. Applying hand lotion. D. Placing one hand in the nail bath. The correct answer is A. Question 161. Nails in an adult grow at an average rate of. Answers: A. 1/16 a week. B. 1/8 a week. C. 1/16 a month. D. 1/8 a month. The correct answer is D. Question 162. Drying nail polish with artificial heat is cause. Answers: A. Add more shine to the finish. B. Make air bubbles. C. Lessen the completion time. D. Cause the polish to run. The correct answer is B. Question 163. During a manicure, it would not be wise to. Answers: A. Use the pusher before the nipper. B. Soak fingertips before using the nail polish. C. File deeply into the corner of the free edge. D. Remove old polish before filing. The correct answer is C. Question 164. The biceps is muscle that covers the. Answers: A. Forearm. B. Hand. C. Upper arm. D. Wrist. The correct answer is C. Question 165. The movement of the hand is controlled by. Answers: A. Extensors. B. Flexors. C. All of the others. D. Supinators. The correct answer is C. Question 166. The deep fold of a skin the nail root is lodged is known as. Answers: A. Nail wall. B. Nail groove. C. Nail mantle. D. Nail bed. The correct answer is C. Question 167. Powdered alum is a styptic used to. Answers: A. Sanitize implement. B. Stop minor bleeding. C. Stop body odor. D. Destroy bacteria. The correct answer is B. Question 168. Before manicure implement are used on a client, they must be. Answers: A. Stop body odor. B. Scrubbed and disinfected. C. Dried with a clean towel. D. Wiped with 99% isopropyl alcohol. The correct answer is B. Question 169. Manicure implement will be disinfected when immersed in 70% ethyl alcohol for a period of. Answers: A. 5 minutes. B. 10 minutes. C. 25 minutes. D. 2 minutes. The correct answer is B. Question 170. Which of the following items is not an accepted sanitary procedure? Answers: A. Disinfect all used implements after used. B. Wash hand before and after each manicure. C. Use lump alum to stop minor bleeding. D. Use a clean towel for each patron. The correct answer is C.
The Nail Exam app. Ace the nail exam on your first try. Available on App Store.
Question 171. Which one of these daily requirements for manicurists' good grooming is not required? Answers: A. Clean teeth and sweet breath. B. Daily bath and use body deodorant. C. Fresh, clean uniform. D. Comfortable white shoe. The correct answer is D. Question 172. Nerves and blood vessels are found in the. Answers: A. Nail plate. B. Cuticle. C. Lunula. D. Nail matrix. The correct answer is D. Question 173. The skin which the nail body rests known as the. Answers: A. Matrix. B. Nail root. C. Nail bed. D. Nail groove. The correct answer is C. Question 174. Most nail textbook recommend that a cotton-tipped orange wood stick be used to. Answers: A. Nail bleach. B. Cuticle solvent. C. Nail cream. D. All of the others. The correct answer is D. Question 175. Which one of the following is not benefit of hand massage? Answers: A. Increased circulation. B. Flexible hands. C. Shiny nails. D. Smooth skin. The correct answer is C. Question 176. Cuticle cream are used to. Answers: A. Treat brittle and dry cuticle. B. Encourage the growth of nails. C. Remove dry cuticle. D. Remove dead cuticle. The correct answer is A. Question 177. You may use a steel file instead of an emery board to. Answers: A. Remove a small amount of nail-free edge. B. Give a smoother finish to the nail. C. Give a rough finish to the nail. D. Remove a large amount of nail-free edge. The correct answer is D. Question 178. Scratches on a nail body could be the result from the use of. Answers: A. Certain type of base coats. B. A steel pusher on a dry nail. C. Strong polish remover. D. The orange wood stick on a wet nail body. The correct answer is B. Question 179. Which of the following procedures cannot be accomplished with nail mending? Answers: A. Reattaching the tip of severed nail. B. Repairing split nails. C. Narrowing a tip of a heavy nail. D. Capping fragile nail tips. The correct answer is C. Question 180. Dead cuticles is easier to remove. Answers: A. After the softening action of cuticle solvent. B. If it adheres to the nail body. C. When the patron does not wear polish. D. When the nail is buffed first. The correct answer is A. Question 181. Hygiene is. Answers: A. Personal cleanliness. B. Physiology and anatomy. C. A. Science dealing with healthful living. D. A. Community practice. The correct answer is C. Question 182. Artificial nails help to. Answers: A. Cover up an inflammation. B. Conceal broken nails. C. Prevent nail discoloration. D. Make nails grow faster. The correct answer is B. Question 183. Nail grows by constant multiplication of nail cells in the. Answers: A. Eponychium. B. Cortex. C. Matrix. D. Cuticle. The correct answer is C. Question 184. If quartz is used to disinfect implement, it must possess which of the following properties to be in compliance with the law? Answers: A. All of the others. B. Bactericide. C. Fungicide. D. Viricide. The correct answer is A. Question 185. What material should never be used on plastic artificial nails? Answers: A. Acetone. B. Polish remover. C. Cuticle oil. D. Cuticle remover. The correct answer is A. Question 186. Textbook recommends steel pusher to be used. Answers: A. At an angle, light pressure, on a moist nail. B. Flat, with gentle pressure, on a dry nail body. C. At an angle, with pressure, on a dry nail. D. Flat, with gentle pressure, on a moist nail body. The correct answer is D. Question 187. Hangnails may be treated by softening the cuticle with. Answers: A. Hot oil. B. Strong soap. C. Polish remover. D. Boric acid. The correct answer is A. Question 188. To soften the cuticle, add to the water in the finger bowl a few drops of. Answers: A. Nail bleach. B. Polish remover. C. Cuticle oil. D. Liquid soap. The correct answer is D. Question 189. Watery blisters and thick white skin between the toes are signs of. Answers: A. Pendicuring. B. Pterygium. C. Onychia. D. Athlete's foot. The correct answer is D. Question 190. Each licensed establishment is required to maintain the following minimum equipment. Answers: A. 1 airtight container. B. 1 closed cabinet for clean towels. C. 1 liquid sanitizer. D. All of the others. The correct answer is D.
The Nail Exam app. Ace the nail exam on your first try. Available on App Store.
Question 191. Which one of the following qualifications is not necessary to be a successful manicurist? Answers: A. Thorough knowledge of hand and arm. B. Ability to identify nail disorders. C. Ability to treat common nail diseases. D. Understanding structures of the hand and arm. The correct answer is C. Question 192. In case of a small cut, one of the following may be used. Answers: A. Lump alum. B. Pumice powder. C. Styptic pencil. D. 3% hydrogen peroxide. The correct answer is D. Question 193. Overexertion and lack of rest tend to drain the body of its. Answers: A. Blood supply. B. Vitality. C. Body odor. D. Nervous system. The correct answer is B. Question 194. Rest and relaxation are very necessary to prevent. Answers: A. Poor eating. B. Poor oral hygiene. C. Bad body odors. D. Mental fatigue. The correct answer is D. Question 195. The ingredient of polish remover is. Answers: A. Mineral oil. B. Organic solvent and acetone. C. Resin. D. Zinc oxide. The correct answer is B. Question 196. If the matrix is destroyed, then the growth of the nail. Answers: A. Is less. B. Continues. C. Stop. D. Is increased. The correct answer is C. Question 197. An inflammatory condition of the tissues surrounding the nail is known as. Answers: A. Paronychia. B. Onychoptosis. C. Onychia. D. Onychotrophia. The correct answer is A. Question 198. When giving a manicure, if is necessary to use a powdered astringent on a patron's skin to arrest bleeding, which of the following may be used to apply it? Answers: A. An antiseptic shaker dispenser. B. Any of the following. C. Clean spatula. D. Sterile gauze. The correct answer is B. Question 199. The main ingredient of nail polishes. Answers: A. 70% alcohol. B. White lead. C. Nitrocellulose. D. Glue. The correct answer is C. Question 200. The ratio between polymer and monomer should be. Answers: A. Manicurist judgment. B. Until it is moist. C. 3 cc. D. 5 cc. The correct answer is B.